One Dog Canoe by Mary Casanova. Pictures by Ard Hoyt. I set off one morning in my little red canoe. My dog wagged his tail. "Can I come too?" "You bet," I said. "A trip for two, just me and you." I dipped my paddle into ribbons of blue. Beaver stopped chewing. "Can I come too?" There's not much room, it's a one-dog canoe. But with a slap and a swim, Beaver scrambled in. I swished past ferns where dragonflies flew. Loon stretched her wings. "Whew! Can I come too?" "I doubt you'll fit. It's a one-beaver, one-dog canoe." But with a woohoo flap, Loon landed on my lap. Silently we glided under silver webs of dew. Wolf peered from the pines. "Can I come too?" Maybe next time. It's a one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe. But like an arrow on the wind, Wolf bounded in. Still I paddled on in my little red canoe. Bear slid down a tree. "Can I come too?" We're pretty darn full. It's a one wolf, one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe. But with a grunt, thump, ka-wump, Bear dropped on his rump. I J-stroked and C-stroked. What else could I do? Moose lifted his head. "Can I come too?" "You'll do us all in. It's a one bear, one wolf, one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe." But with a toss of his rack, Moose climbed in the back. We teetered and tottered. I glared at my crew. Frog hopped to a rock. "Ribbit, can I come too?" "Frog, can't you see? It's a one moose, one bear, one wolf, one loon, one beaver, one dog canoe." But with a leap, plop, swish-bang-flop, we sputtered, splashed, swam, drip-dried on the sand. "Sorry," Beaver said. "We should have listened to you. Guess you were right. It's a one-dog canoe." I started to grin. It's okay. We had a good swim. Then together we bailed till my vessel was dry, and with a push and a swoosh, glide, we waved goodbye. I set off that evening as the northern lights grew, just me and my pal in a one-dog canoe.